Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Zato Engine Oil System Cleaner with Anti-Carbon Effect, a revolutionary product that claims to be the best engine carbon deposit cleaner available. Is it the real deal? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's dive right in. The Zato Engine Oil System Cleaner is designed to tackle one of the biggest issues many car owners face: engine carbon deposits and sludge buildup. This product comes in a convenient 250 ml bottle and is formulated by Zato, a trusted brand with over 20 years of experience in engine care. Now, let's talk about what sets this product apart from the competition. Deep engine cleaning. Xato's cleaner promises to remove deposits, sludge, and gunk from your engine's oil system, which can lead to improved performance and fuel efficiency. It's suitable for all engine types, including turbo-supercharged engines, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of vehicles. The secret weapon here is the Revitalizant in the formula. It creates a protective barrier for your engine, enhancing its overall health and longevity. You don't need to be a mechanic to use this product. Simply add it to your engine oil before your regular oil change. Now, let's talk about how this product works its magic. When you pour Zato Engine Oil System Cleaner into your engine, it gets to work breaking down carbon deposits and sludge, which can accumulate from using low-quality oil or operating your vehicle under challenging conditions. Here's how to use it. Pour the cleaner into your engine's oil filler neck when the engine is warm and not running. For regular maintenance, let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes or drive around 12.5 miles. For deep cleaning, take it for a 90 to 120 mile drive. The best part? It's compatible with all engine oils and turbocharged engines. So, why should you consider using Zato Engine Oil System Cleaner? It can extend the lifespan of your vehicle's engine and mechanical parts. It improves engine performance, which can lead to better fuel economy. It provides excellent protection against wear and tear, saving you from costly repairs down the road. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some real users who've tried this product. As you can see, many users have experienced positive results after using Zato Engine Oil System Cleaner. It's time-tested and trusted by car owners like you. Now, you might be wondering about the price. You can get this 250 ml bottle for just $22.99 on Amazon.com, making it an affordable investment in your car's health. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable solution to combat engine carbon deposits and sludge, the Zato Engine Oil System Cleaner with Anti-Carbon Effect should definitely be on your radar. It's a trusted product from a reputable brand that delivers on its promises. That's it for today's review, folks. If you've used this product or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.